Okay, as you come down flow, you have the option to stay on flow or take pipeline. Pipeline, the famous surf break, is epic. It's wild. It's amazing. And that's what this pipeline is. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to take pipeline. Now, pipeline has 2 ramps on the wood ramps. One's a blue, it means you don't have to clear. The one's a black, you have to clear it. It's a mandatory gap. This top one's pretty big, so I take the blue, and I'm gonna hit the black at the bottom, or the next one for the first time. I barely cleared it. Wow. Take the black there too, but I'm not. Pipeline reads the right to shotgun.